Learn how to make a simple healthy salad. Main ingredients used: halloumi, pasta, black and green olives, Brussels sprouts. Add tartar sauce. Add half a teaspoon of pepper. Add parsley. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add dried cranberries, craisins. Add fresh lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add boiled pasta. Add Brussels sprouts. Add grilled halloumi. Add black olives. Add green olives. Add sesame seeds. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider giving the video a like. And do consider sharing and subscribing to the channel if you enjoy this type of content. Have a nice day.